24 hours. She has her sideline. She studied reflexology. I encourage her because it's good to have extra income, because she has a kid, no? She has a kid. She's sending money to the province. So, mayroon siya ngayong 6 o'clock appointment sa Makati, so I cannot hold her.
Dini ka. Kami din niya, mga audience doon. Diya ka dahil lisod man eh. Diya ka. Hinduk diya ate.
So that so that if you become tired, you can sit down. Okay? And we will hold it there.
It's hard to leave.
May gitar ka mo, may hibaw si Angki na maggitara.
Sana. Wala tayong preparasyon without any accompaniment.
Okay, sanay ka ng walang accompaniment eh.
Oh, if you get tired, you sit down.
Lovingly dedicated to my nephews, Tatam, Angke, and my niece-in-law, Beta, and Laila, my charming granddaughter. And may you have a very happy and safe trip going back.
How about Brooke? Including Brooke.
Brooks is always permanent here and anyway, yes, he is a loving and very, very kind, understanding son-in-law of mine who is very thoughtful and everything, all the good adjectives.
Who talks to her?
And my eldest daughter, charming.
Yeah,
Still
very charming. Oh, yeah.
Yes, it is all your birthdays, no?
Okay, yeah.
Many happy returns of the day.
Okay.
Many happy returns of the day. This is what my heart can say. On your birthday, my dear, I have nothing to give but a love that will live, ever true and sincere. Let this be my present to you. Take it dear and say you love me too. On your sweet natal day, I will silently pray. Many, many happy returns. Oh, meaning, that's an English, no? I'll sing for you Visayan.
Wow.
Yeah, we love to.
Isn't the wording
Not
so
anymore
beautiful?
the-
The words are so beautiful.
I know, yeah.
Anyway, it's just something that
You
please
still
be-
sing, yeah.
Still,
You
please,
make a
be
commanding voice.
Thank you, not anymore because it's not
Still,
being-
no, it's lovely, lovely voice.
Lovely voice. Sige ma. Okay. Sige ma.
Yeah, so
Lovely voice.
maybe I will sing Usahay or
Yes,
Usahay,
Usahay, yeah.
Usahay. My daughter like Usahay.
It's his favorite.
Or Matubnila, pero Usahay is good.
that too I will still sing.
Wow. Meron pa tayong kan eh.
Kung baon ninyo.
Baon, mga baon.
I have not heard Usahay. I get
Okay.
Yeah, sige. And another one also. maybe I will, Bisayan muna.
Bisayan.
Okay. Usahay, magadamgo ako, na ikaw ako, nagkahigugmaay, nganong damguhon ko ikaw, damguhon sa kanunay, sa akong tamingaw. Usahay, magamahay ako, nganong nabuhi pa ning kalibutan, nganong nagitiaw-tiawan ang gugma ko kanimudan, nganong nagitiaw-tiawan ang gugma ko kanimo In English, according to them.
No.
Sa Binisaya, matud nila.
Okay.
Matud nila, ako dili angay nga magmanggad sa imong guma. Matud nila, ikaw dili malipay, kay wa ako'y bahandi nga igasa kanimo. Gugmang putli, mauday pasalig, maoy bahandi nga labaw sa bulawan. Matud nila, kaano kung lamang sa imong gugma o paray dili naman ko na accompaniment ko doon tanong
Sige ma, it's okay.
dili mo luban kini pagbati bisan sa unsa nga katarungan kay unsa may bili ning kinabuhi unsa gugma mo hinikawan ina ko nga dili ka muto sa mga pagtamay kong naangkon ina ko nga dili mo kawang damgo ug pasalig sa gugma mo.
Isipin mo yun?
Songhet before,
Yeah.
long time ago, I forgot already, it was my grandson, Dino, who was singing. I said, uy, give me the wordings of that, so I will review. Review.
I bought, actually I bought that today, that CD, BCD, karaoke, sing-along. Yeah, because Laila like to practice it. I did not bring it, otherwise, if we project it with live music, beautiful.
Lala used to sing, no? I remember.
Okay, anyway.
Yeah, she's practicing.
Anyway.
Lorna Anlas.
So, it's an English.
Okay.
No?
Okay.
Why do birds?
Why
Why do birds
Oh yeah.
suddenly appear every time you are near? Just like me, they long to be close to you. Why do stars fall out of the sky every time you go by? Just like me, they long to be close to you. On the day that you were born, the angels got together and decided to create a dream come true. So they sprinkled gold dust on her hair and golden starlight, and your eyes were blue. That is why all the boys in town follow you all around, just like me. They long to be close to you. So I'll make it a little hot, huh?
That's a good practice.
Now tell me accompaniment.
Okay.
Suddenly appear every time you are near, just like me. They long to be close to you. Why those stars fall out of the sky every time you go by, just like me. You long to be close to you. On the day that we were born, the angels get together and decided to create a dream come true. So they sprinkled gold dust in your hair and golden starlight, and your eyes were blue. That is why every voice in town follow you all around.
Nawala ng ka-arthritis.
Close to you. Just like me. They long to be close to you.
Ay, naulian na! Naulian na! Bravo! Bata pa rin!
From now on, when you take your walk out here, you don't shuffle along anymore. You walk like you just did.
That's exactly right! Yeah!
I will bring the
I
cane.
could not even dance the way she danced.
I know! But you know, dancing is one of the best exercise.
Yes,
Dancing.
I know.
Because it,
I am not proud because you see,
Why?
it's not even 1/10 of my.
you're 81, remember?
Yeah.